In Botswana, a quiet tragedy is unfolding. Every day, children suffer abuse, neglect, and exploitation in the very places that should keep them safe: their homes, schools, and communities. Each tear unseen, each cry unheard is not only a child's pain, but a wound to our nation's future. When 1 in 10 girls and 1 in 20 boys between 13 and 17 experience sexual violence, and many more face beatings and emotional harm, the cost of doing nothing is too high. Every child lost to fear or broken dreams is a reminder that silence is dangerous. If we fail to act, the cycle of suffering will continue. But Botswana is taking action. Across the country, child-friendly police stations and justice systems are being developed to protect children and restore their dignity. Unlike traditional stations, these spaces are designed to feel welcoming, with bright colors, play corners, and trained officers who wear plain clothes and receive children warmly as they come into the centers.
Over the years, Botswana Police strategic plan has always been to improve in the manner in which we offer services, especially to the vulnerable groups in this country. And in 2020, we established the first child-friendly center at Broadhurst Police Station. It was necessitated by the fact that cases where children's rights have been violated were on the increase, calling for responses from the BPS that are properly coordinated with emphasis on the rights of children. So basically it was to comply with all international and regional protocols that ensures the protection of children in this country. This center then, with the support of UNICEF, gave birth to other 7 additional child-friendly centers across the country.
Inside these stations, children are given the space to speak in ways that feel safe and natural. They can talk, they can draw, they can write. They are supported by trained police officers, social workers, and counselors who understand that justice begins with listening.
I had the privilege of being a part of the first ever child-friendly justice symposium, which meant that instead of just hearing the matters of children, they actually brought at least a voice from the children to represent them. Before, or back in our day, children were meant to be seen and never heard or engaged. But we see that over time there's a shift in what our new government and the government of back then has been doing. In terms of facilities, we were able to have child-friendly police services, which is a very good initiative. It's literally child-friendly based. These colorful walls, people are friendly, and it's like that people who are actually trained to do this. It's not just people who are good at their job, but they were specifically trained, tailored to deal with children's issues specifically.
In the courts, judges and magistrates adapt proceedings to protect children from further trauma, using softer language, patient explanation, and procedures that prioritize fairness without fear.
First and foremost, I would say the Children's Act, which is what guides courts in deliberating on cases involving children. It lays down what should happen in court, what are the procedures that the courts should follow. First and foremost, all matters involving children are held in camera. This means that matters involving children are not open to the public like other court proceedings. They are held in camera. We remove parties. You would have a child with the person that they're comfortable with. You inquire from the child, are you comfortable with us having this person in court? We also try to explain the court process to children. Say a child is a victim or a witness. We'd explain to them that you are going to relate your story. At the end of your story, you will be asked questions by this person who maybe is an attorney. Be calm, be cool. We try to just prepare them to appreciate what is going on in court, not to fear whilst they're in court. We take breaks where necessary, where a child becomes emotional, either as an accused, either as a victim. We take breaks because we want them to be able to fully participate in the proceedings that are before the courts.
Children spend most of their working hours in school, and this makes schools a critical front line of protection. Guidance and counseling teachers are trained to recognize the signs of abuse early. They listen, they intervene, they connect children to the support they need before harm deepens.
Tota child friendly services because nna ke ne ka nna le makgetho a tabo ngwana phakela ata a tswa ko lapeng gona le semo a bantha rena ke lapeng ga ke tsamaye mme ke tabo ke letsa ka bo 6 ke ba letse ke ba ke bathong ke na le ngwana nna kana nka ka lapeng ka re ke isa ngwana mme bata ba to go re thusa dikgang tsa bana ba ileng gore ba ta o ba lofa sekolo o ithela ile gore ngwana o togetswe le ngwana yo mongwe ra ba bitsa ba ye ko malapeng ba re thusi go followa le gore batsadi ba kae go diragala eng ke eng bana ba nna ba le nosi bo ba lomagane le bo mma boipelego dikgang di kgone go tswelela tsa bana re na le dikgang tse e leng gore ngwana o ta ba sa tshele sente kwa lapeng bana ba ba setse ba itse gore go na le mapodisi a bana ka gore re nna le dipuisanyo tsa bana mo re go bitsang di-talks di-health talks, police talks, gender talks where basimane ka bo bone eng ra ba bitsa ba ta ba bua le bana ba ba ruta ka dikgang tsone tsa kgokgontsho ba ba ruta ka dikgang di hela tsa tola molao tse di ka dirwang mo ngwaneng le tola molao e ka dirwang ke ngwana bo ba ikitsise gore ba teng ebile da ready kana ba ipaakanyeditse gore ba ka bereka le bana so malatsing a re bona bana ba kgona go ta go di office tsa rona motho a ba re ke kopa ronkise ko child friendly center nna ke makgetho ke ta mo di office tsa bone ke ta le bana ile bana ba nkopang gore teacher ke na le bothata 1 2 3 ke kopa ro tsamaile nna ke o bua le ba sepodisi
tuna kana prison turasi kasi wita ane akam ko base ane asika ka prison ko kana tukam kaisa ka wita ase asika meskwasa kama khata kama ane khane mabupelo khone khata kama se ga skwasa ane khata ma u ngene maqoqo sesima asma sima qoqo sama aba kama khama la ko ga skwasa re inek birini akara
ke ne ke nna le seemo sa ngwana last year mme ke ne ke a reporta ko police ka kwa ona mo teng mo maumo mme ba ne ba nreferela kwano tota ebile ke ne ke sa itse a gona le police ya bana ke gona ha ne ke itemogela te gore re na le police ya bana mo mau mme e le go tseneng ga me ke ne ke a kopana le mme ma motsamai ona nthusa ka lorato ba nkamogela ka lorato le gompieno ntse re tsweletse re bereka rothe ba dira di-follow up le nna ke gona le sengwe se ke thoka go se itse ke eta mo ofising ya bone e nna e butswegela ba nna ba le teng ka dinako tsotlhe ka kwa ba thoka
ke supegela gore the child friendly service center e butswe mo lethakane ka September ka 2022 ke supegela la gore re temogetse gore e re solegela molemo thata re le ba ofisi ya boipelego re lebeletse gore 1 ke gone go eleng gore re prepare la bana ba rona teng for the case ga ba tshwantse go kopana le magistrate kana ga ba tshwantse go kopana le di-session tsa bone go court. We use the center because it's accommodative. The environment e teng ha e harologana le re dirisang go di office tsa rona jaanong o kgona go ithala le gore ngwana o kgona go phuthuloga thata a le ha as compared to la ha le go di office tsa rona ke supehela le gore office ya rona ya sepodisi ya lethakane kana ya boteti e bereka thata le office ya boipelego go go simololeng hela ko case e simololang teng gore hela ga ile gore molato o reportilwe, the first thing se eleng gore ra se dira ke gore rona re le ofisi ya boipelego re tshwanetse gore re be re le ho ha ngwana a simolola go interviewa, re tshwanetse gore re be re le ho in all the processes until case e ya go hela. Jaanong ke gona ha ileng gore jaanong re ta go dirisa dikantoro tse ka kwano gore re ka simolola yone case jalo ko simologong ya teng. For now re santse re sena di-centera tse eleng gore re ka ba batho teng akere jaanong go raya gore ga gongwe go na le di-case tse eleng gore di kgona go reportiwa maitseboa mme be e le gore go a re bate ko ngwana a ka lalang teng bosigo bone boo. So we use the center for dikgang tsa go nna jalo gore bana ba kgone gore ba lale ba le ga go safe, bana go thele batsadi ba le ga go safe, ga go sireletsegileng gore e re ka moso ga ra go kopanna di-intervention tsa teng e be re itse gone gore mme bone bosigong boo ba sireletsegile.
For children who have already been harmed, health workers are lifelines. They treat physical injuries. They provide trauma-informed counseling. They make referrals that ensure no child is left to heal alone. Their care helps children reclaim not only their health, but their sense of self.
We work hand in hand with the police to ensure that we assist in terms of documentation, in terms of collection of samples that they will later use in the prosecution of the perpetrators, whatever the case they view. So really and truly, Rona, we are as health an important stakeholder to the police in those issues because we document and we take care of the health of those who are affected by this violence.
Within communities, harmful norms and practices can deepen violence and silence survivors. Traditional leaders hold powerful influence, and when they choose to act, they can protect generations. By challenging destructive customs, fostering open dialogue, and standing publicly for children's rights, they help create safer communities where children can grow free from fear.
Maitiko ara dirileng kana ara dira rile dikgosi le ba boipelego le ba gender protection ra tere dire di outreach go tsama re buisa ba mitsi e ko teng meano gongwe ke kope gape gore puso a ile ke go nonotsa dikomiti tse di mo motseng ka ditsompelo gore ba kgone go tsama kana re kgone go emelela re buise batho re ba rute re ba gakolole ka gore kgaolo ya rona e bophara. So ga go sena madi, ga go sena dikoloi, ga gona ka re ka emela ka teng. Mme kana go a re tama gore re tsamaye re go addressa batho ka mathata one a kgokgontsho mo baneng. Go botlhokwa gore batho ba ire hantse re tsena go bone ba re bona re bua le bone ba ka thusega. Gape a ke re batho ba dingwao tse di harologaneng mo kgaolo ya ka banko. Jaanong ga re tsamaye re rute batho ba re ba harologanyetse bomolemo jwa ngwao le se se diragala sa sešwa gore ngwao le sešwa go gongwe di ka tsamaelana mme gape le nyana di a go kgaogana ka gore a bo re lebile ditshwanelo tsa ngwana a bo re lebile itshireletso ya ngwana gore ngwana ka nako ene o ha kae o sireletsegile ka tsela e ntseng jang.
Le go sala go simololwa lekalana le la sepodisi la bana re itemogela gore dilo dingwe di simolotse go tokagala. Bana ba simolotse go ntsha maikutlo a bone ka ga ba sa diloleng dilo sente ka teng. Mme ke akanya gore se se ka dirwang gompieno ke ba sepodisi sa rona sa bana ke go ruta batsadi ka kgang ya ditshwanelo tsa bana le ditshwanelo tsa batsadi mo baneng. Ke dumela gore ke gone mo go setseng.
Behind these efforts stands UNICEF, working hand in hand with the government of Botswana to strengthen child protection systems. UNICEF supports the creation of child-friendly spaces and helps ensure that laws and policies reflect the rights and voices of children.
So one of the key things that we did through the Isimongwaning, even post that, was to bring different partners and players around the table. Now, as we speak, we have around the table the Ministry of Justice, Ministry of Health, Ministry of Child Welfare, Botswana Police, Ministry of Local Government as key players that now have convened around this issue to say, how does Botswana design a justice system that would be sensitive to the well-being of children, so that from the time a child is reporting to the teacher or to the caregiver, to a point where they go to the police station, go to the health center, go before courts, all these players are enlightened and they are aligned to what the Children's Act requires of them. So we did not only engage with government, we engaged with the private sector to help us. We also engaged with development partners. One of the key partners that we had on board is the Japanese government, who contributed to building some of the child-friendly police centers. There is one that is built in Shakawe, another in Letlhakane, and the other one in Khansi.
Donors and development partners play a critical role in turning commitment into action. Their funding and expertise make it possible to train officers, equip facilities, and extend services to the most remote communities. By investing in children today, they are safeguarding Botswana's tomorrow.
What we have done over the years was that we have supported the Botswana government in ensuring that our justice system becomes child-friendly. Through the support of the British High Commission, we're able to train our police officers on child-friendly methods of interviewing children, also developing standard operating procedures for the police as well, because we saw that there was no use of us having beautiful buildings that are child-friendly, but the staff not actually knowing what it is that they're supposed to be doing. So the standardization of processes through the SOPs has ensured that all over the country, when a child goes to the police, they will be able to be assisted. Whether there is a child-friendly police station or there is none, there are officers that have been adequately trained. So with the police, I think also the extra thing that they have done is that they have introduced a whole module that speaks to child protection within the police. So which means that now every officer that is going to go through training through the police college is surely going to be trained on handling issues of children, on child protection issues. So that is also what we want to see moving forward. The University of Botswana as well, they are currently revisiting their curriculum so that they have on-the-job short courses for social workers to ensure that they are at all times being brought up to speed with the changes that are happening, because the child protection space changes a lot. In the past, we didn't have issues around online safety. Those are coming in. So those are some of the things that you want the service providers to be conversant of and to be able to deal with as speedily as possible.
International partners have stood firmly with Botswana. The Japanese embassy has provided vital support, helping equip police stations with child-friendly spaces and essential resources. The British High Commission has championed child protection, strengthening justice systems and advocacy efforts. Together, these partnerships ensure that Botswana's children are seen, protected, and never forgotten.
The UK has its own experience of developing a child-friendly justice system, so we've brought some of that experience to bear here through a combination of funding and technical expertise to support the development of the child-friendly justice system here in Botswana. That's included capacity building to the Botswana Police Service, where we've trained more than 600 police officers and first responders on how they interview children. Child-sensitive interviewing techniques, which are really important. It's really important to make children, as they're going through what is, I think even as an adult, I imagine, a very scary and intimidating process. And it's really important to put children in the right frame of mind, in the right physical context where they are safe, protected, so they can speak freely and openly and give evidence. We've done some technical things too. We've provided audio and visual recording equipment across 8 child-friendly centres around Botswana to ensure that evidence provided by children is captured within the law and stored safely in a way that doesn't re-traumatise survivors of abuse.
We've received support from the British through the facilitation of UNICEF to come and train our officers and how they can obtain best evidence from children. Some of them have got qualifications, university qualifications on early childhood development. We have police officers with social worker qualification. We have police officers with psychology qualifications deployed at the centers.
We've got a lot of people who use sign languages. So this is the problem, that most of us police officers, we cannot communicate or service those people properly because we don't know how to use sign languages.
Pele ga child friendly center e bula mo Lethakane ne re itemogela boketenyana ja gone gore go tebaganya le dikgantse ne go le bokete thata ka gore bana bontsi ja bone ba tshaba go goroga mo mapodiseng go ta go report ka gone gore kana ha ba gorogelang teng ka ko police stationeng ka ko ke ha go tsena mongwe le mongwe jaanong ya ka re itse hela ba gaetse gore ha batho ba kgobokane kwa ka go harologana ba tle go reporta ga ngwana a le ho tikologo hela e gone ho ya be sa mo amogele ka tsela e leng gore ene o ka ikutlwa a phuthulogile go ka bega kgantsa gago. Ne re itemogela gore ne re nna le bana ba ba kgonang go boa gone mo police stationeng ya rona e le gore ngwana a tshwanetse gore a ta bega kgang ya gagwe ya gore go gontshitswe jang a ba hela a boa hela ka lone lebaka la gore gongwe a ba ka nna mo meleng o metelele a emetse gore a ta kgone go thusiwa mo gongwe hela e le gone gore ga a lebile bagolo ba e leng gore wa bana le bone mo laeneng gone o ta ba a ikutlwa a sa phuthuloga jalo jalo.
This introduction ya the child friendly centers mo di police station ki kaya ile maiteko hela mante a puso ya lehatshe la Botswana gore dikgantse di ka rarabolesega hela ha di ka ikemela di le nosi.
I must commend Botswana government for the sterling job that they have done. The investment is substantive compared to other countries in the region. We recently hosted some of our regional office colleagues, including our regional director, who came and witnessed the model that we have in place of the child-friendly police center. And her wish was that this could be cascaded to other countries in the region. Because violence is not just a Botswana issue. Violence against children is not just a Botswana issue.
We believe that UNICEF would continue to handhold us, to introduce us to other partners, such that we can be able to expand the child-friendly centers across all the 84 police stations, especially at the rural areas where we find that most of cases of vulnerable children or children who have been abused originate from the rural areas. So this is the service that is critical to the protection of these children. And we are very appreciative of the role played by the administration of justice, because we now see them having come on board full time to ensure that wherever it is possible to have matters involving children being held through the visual platform that has been allowed by our courts. And we also continue to ensure that the law protecting children is constantly being reviewed. And we are working with other agencies to set up the first one-stop center. This is a center that would be able to provide services to victims of abuse. It's a center that would have a doctor, that would have a psychologist, that would have investigators, all at the same place. We know that we can't do it alone as the Botswana Police Service. This is an initiative that needs multi-sector collaboration from other stakeholders. And we are not only calling from UNICEF to assist, we also want NGOs, parastatals, anybody who has help to offer is welcome to engage us as the BPS and ensure that our children are supported.
No child walks this journey alone. Counselors, social workers, teachers, police officers, judges and magistrates, health workers, traditional leaders, UNICEF, donors, caregivers. Together, They provide protection, healing, and justice. Children's voices are heard. Botswana's child-friendly police and justice system is more than infrastructure. It is a promise that every child deserves safety, respect, and a future filled with hope. And to every child, we say, your future matters. You are strong, you are important, and you are safe.